Hi, this is Sean with Backflow Supply again. I was scrapping some brass and it dawned on me that, of course at the very end of doing it all, that you may be interested to know or to see these test cocks, what's inside of them, why there aren't repair kits for them, and why we just replace them. There's really not much in them. They probably could be repaired. However, this piece here, this top piece is factory sealed, and I'll show you what that means when I take this off. And I don't know if you could put Teflon on it to make it seal again or not. And it's the same whether it's this type or if it's the one that has the fitting on it that you can already hook your hose to. So we'll take two of those apart. It only takes a minute, and show you what they look like inside. So you may not be able to see it, but there's just a little bit of red in the threads, and usually you can see it much better than this. It flakes off, and it's got a pretty strong odor, and that's the seal at the factory. And like I said, I don't know if you could use Teflon on that and make it seal again, but if it's leaking out of the seam, it's probably more of an issue than just that thread is no longer good, or the sealant. So on the bottom side of that was just a little white Teflon seal that seals against the ball that's in the test cock. So that's the ball down inside of there, and so we just turn it so it's like that. Sometimes they'll fall right out, other times you have to kind of coax them to come out. So that's the ball, and you can see there's a groove in the end that fits into the screw. So this is kind of hard to see with the calcium that's on it, but it just fits into that groove, nothing fancy. Maybe it is fancy. This one does not want to fit. There we go. Back in there. And it just rotates every quarter turn, opens and closes it in the test cock. And there's two O-rings on this one that seals it as it comes through the brass stem. Some of them only have one, and some of them also have another piece of plastic Teflon that's down at the bottom that seals it. And then also down at the bottom of that is another white Teflon seal like this one that seals against the ball like that on both ends. So they're very simple. Now let's take this other one apart that has that fitting on it. Hose fitting. Again, here's kind of that sealant. This one's a little bit dirty, still in the threads, and it's got a red look to it. Same thing, it's got that white Teflon seal in there. There goes the ball. We'll push that screw out. That's the toughest one of the bunch. Give it a little bit of encouragement. And this looks like it's going to be the same type of fitting. It's got the two O-ring seals. But that's all there is to them. And I hope that satisfies a little bit of curiosity. It's just a little short video. And I'll try and keep in mind some of these other things as I go through things like this, because you may want to see how it looks inside and you don't want to take it apart. Should have done the same thing for some ball valves I took apart. The ball valves are very similar. They've got a brass ball just like this, only a little bit larger. It's got a fitting at the top of the handle, 2 Teflon seals that sits at both ends and seals it, and it just opens and closes. Anyway, just a simple video. Hope you have a good day. Thank you.